This is the CMF Phone 1, and it's the most fun and the best budget phone you can buy right now. At a glance, it puts lots of smartphones to shame. It has an interesting design that other brands don't offer. If you are familiar with Nothing Phones, a new company by Carl Pei, which introduced the Nothing Phone 1 back in 2022. The CMF Phone 1 is a sub-brand of this company, borrowing the same approach to make smartphones fun again. So how does this phone stand out from the rest of other budget phones? Well, it starts at $299, slightly cheaper than the likes of Samsung mid-range smartphones. But where the CMF Phone 1 takes it to another level is the design. The idea is straightforward. It's a phone with a removable back panel, allowing you to swap it for a different one. Each replacement kit includes everything you need, such as a handy little screwdriver, screws, and a color-matched SIM tray. In the bottom corner of the phone, there's a round cover for the accessory port. While it resembles the control dial on CMF's neckband earbuds, it serves no functional purpose other than protecting the port. At launch, CMF will offer 3 accessories: a lanyard, a wallet, and a kickstand, each priced at $25 and available in a vibrant orange color. These accessories, along with the colorful replacement back panels, priced at $35 each, are sold separately. The phone itself, included in the box, is a commendable budget Android device featuring a 6.7-inch OLED display, a 50-megapixel rear camera, a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, and a robust 5000 mAh battery. It comes with a black panel pre-installed, with additional color options including orange, light green, and blue. Removing the back panel is simple, though it requires a bit of force, enough to break a too long fingernail as I found out. This extra effort is probably for the best, as the panel protects the internal components of your phone. Speaking of which, it's quite unusual to see a modern phone's innards so exposed. Once the phone is securely reassembled, you can add accessories. The wallet accessory consists of 2 parts: a plastic panel with an embedded MagSafe-like magnet and the actual wallet. Interestingly, I found that I could attach the phone with this magnetic mount to a MagSafe charging stand, even though the Phone 1 doesn't support wireless charging. You can also use the kickstand or the lanyard alongside the wallet. The lanyard is made of thick, woven fabric. Someone much cooler and younger than me might be able to pull off wearing their phone with it. The kickstand feels sturdy, though I wish the arm sat flush against the phone when not in use. All these accessories come in a vibrant orange color, apparently the gadget color of the year. But hey, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Being a budget phone, there are some trade-offs to consider. There's no NFC, and the Phone 1 is only splash resistant. This is understandable given the price point and the fact that the entire back of the phone is removable. Carrier support in the US is also limited. Like the Phone 2A, it works on T-Mobile's 4G and 5G networks, but only supports Verizon and AT&T's 4G bands. However, for $199, it might just be worth it. If nothing else, it's one heck of an accessory.